Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices fell about 1% to end the week as energy companies in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico restarted production after back-to-back hurricanes in the region shut output. Bank of England rate setters, who may be tempted to vote next week for an early end to their COVID-19 stimulus plans, are likely to hold off for now, with a slowing economy but surging inflation making for a tricky backdrop. The dollar held near three-week highs against a basket of major currencies after a raft of strong U.S. economic data rekindled expectations for earlier policy tightening by the U.S. Federal Reserve.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT, the U.S. 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index will be released at 600 GMT, the Portuguese Current Account Balance at 1000 GMT, Germany's German BUBA Monthly Report at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.